Hey guys, happy Saturday! It's Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair, and this time we're demonstrating a radio out of a 71 Dodge D-100 pickup. This comes from Martin Communications in Brainerd, Minnesota. Looks like this is the second job that Martin Communications sent me. Thank you so much, guys, for sending me business all the way from up northeast there. So this radio is. They requested a conversion for a lot more output power, add FM, HD, and also the USB and Bluetooth features. So we're here to make sure it all works before we send her back. So let's go ahead and I got it set to the one strong AM station I get in my area. Go ahead and turn it on.
I don't trust the polls. I guess
look at our speaker outputs.
What are you seeing? We're seeing
and we're going to adjust our
amazing trend line.
Our front rear fader.
Here we
go, front rear fader.
Talk to us about
fader adjust.
Okay, so now the same control is adjusting your front rear speaker balance all the way front, all the way rear, front, rear. Okay, I'm going to center them.
We saw historic leads for the Republicans on the generic ballot, and
fader set. Okay, left, right, balance.
Balance adjust.
Okay, so all the way left, all the way right, left, right. Okay, I'm going to center them.
Supreme Court that strikes down.
Balance set. Okay, let's make sure the Bluetooth goes into pairing mode.
Bluetooth ready to pair.
Okay, so we know that's working. Let's make sure the USB, we don't need this stuff anymore. Make sure the USB plays my stick.
Issues like that on the Democratic side.
Okay, there's that. Okay, let's go to FM, which we do by turning it off and then right back on within about half a second. So here we go, off, on. And I've got all 5 presets set to FM stations in my area.
That these voters have just returned.
Alrighty, we'll make sure the dial light works. You can see the dial light flashing on and off through that little opening right there when I press the button. Okay, and then this also has an aux input. One more power cycle will put it in the aux mode, so the order goes AM, FM, aux, AM, FM, aux, and I'll demonstrate that right now. Now we're on FM, off, on. Okay, now we got silence because we're listening to the aux input, and there's nothing plugged into the aux input. So we cycle it once again, it'll put us back to AM. Okay. And there's our AM station again. So, AM, FM, aux, AM,
we heard this.
FM, aux, AM,
A whopping 8.
FM, and aux. Okay, we're gonna.
What we're seeing here
we're going to leave it on AM.
What we would expect to be
Alrighty. So when you power cycle your radio, if you hear silence, it most likely means that you selected the aux input, and you have to cycle it again to get back on the radio bands. So that concludes the test. Everything's working properly. She's ready to go back to the customer, and I'm probably ready to take the rest of the day off because I just did about 13 videos in a 2-day period, and these all represent jobs that were that are completed that I had to do last minute little things on and stuff like that. So I'm a little tired. So thanks so much for watching and listening, guys, and thank you to my friends at Martin Communications for their repeat business all the way from Minnesota, and we'll see you guys next time.